This is day 8 of the vlog. I spent the morning with a client who's a wonderful portrait artist. She does almost totally commissions, and she works with the client's photos that they provide. And while the client absolutely loves the face, for the artist, it's very difficult because the faces are so blown out and it's really hard to work without more information. So I showed her some tricks on using Photoshop elements and how to push up the contrast so that she has more interest in the photo, and then how to layer to be able to assist in that process. It's not very complicated, but it's a great technique to use. I would like to share at some point some techniques on how to photograph the client. This particular drawing, I photographed the model, and I had her at a stained glass. It was not stained glass. I had her at a sliding glass door, and that works great because you have a dimly lit interior and then very bright light coming through the sliding glass door, and so you have this wonderful contrast. But even at that, sometimes even if I just love my photo, I still may not have quite the contrast needed. So all is not lost. There are ways to enhance it with the computer, and I'll share some of that a bit later.